Okay, guys, this is your homework for Tuesday, April 20th. And we've got the class here to help you. So everybody right now, take a second, pause your video, and solve number 1. Okay, so see, that's when everybody pretended to pause. So now they'll hear us saying this. Okay, everybody, let's talk about number 1. Who can tell me what to do?
Come on, let's do it.
Come on, anybody, start talking.
Start talking.
How do you find perimeter?
You add.
Add what?
The 10 and the 3.
That's it?
Well, there's another 10 up here, and then there's another 3 on the other side of the rectangle.
So we don't add the 10 and the 3, we add up what? All the sides, right?
Yes.
So that'd be 10 plus 10 is what?
20.
Plus 3 is what?
23.
Plus 3 more?
26.
So everybody agree the perimeter is 26, right?
So what's the area then?
You guys don't have to
tell how to find the area.
What about area? What do we have to do?
Me. You have to multiply.
Multiply what?
The 10 and 3.
Why is it the 10 and the 3? Because area equals what?
Length times width.
Yay.
Right, and the length is 10, and the width is 3, so your area would be 30. Good. Okay, everybody write those down so you can put them in Canvas tomorrow. All right, if you're at home watching this video, pause right now and solve this. Okay, guys, who can tell me what the factors of 36 are? Factors. What does factors mean? Anybody? Anybody?
Aren't factors the numbers that can go into like 36?
Ding, 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 ding.
Yeah. Factor times factor equals product.
So does 4 go into 36?
Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Yep. So 4 times what is 36?
9.
There you go. You got 2 of the factors.
So we know 4 and 9 go in because they multiply by each other, right? Does 5 go into 36 evenly?
No.
No.
Does 7?
No.
No.
Does 8?
No. No.
Yes or no?
No.
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 The factors have to be the 2 number multiplied together, right?
So there'd be like 8, 32, and then 8 more is 40. So that doesn't work.
Yeah, so 8 doesn't work. All right, let's keep going.
You're smart, Mr. Conklin.
I don't know. That's why I go. We have all these helpers here because sometimes I can't remember this math. Okay, if you're at home, pause and read this and solve it. Okay, that was our pause. Okay, guys, so this table shows us a bunch of stuff, right? Lisa bought 2 different items and spent exactly $4.
Ooh.
We need to figure out what 2 items she bought. So I'll give you guys a second. I know the other people at home have already paused and probably have their idea.
Ooh, I like this one.
Does anybody have, what's one item on this list we can eliminate immediately?
The chicken burger.
Why?
Plain hamburger.
Because it's over our limit.
Hey,
This is already over $4, right?
that doesn't work.
Now, what about the plain hamburger? If we pick the plain hamburger, one of these other items would have to cost 50 cents. Is there anything that costs 50 cents?
No.
No.
That doesn't work. In fact, everything's over $1. So the meatball sub is $3.10. So that would have to be something that equals 90 cents. So does that work?
No.
So these are some ways to start eliminating choices. Now let's try to find the 2 that would equal.
Ooh, I got it. Anyone have it?
Say it out loud besides Mr. Spina. He's not allowed.
No.
Come on, think.
I got it.
What is it?
The 2 different items are the fruit juice and the quince.
Quiche. Quiche.
That's quiche. Does everybody see the fruit juice? $2, 10 cents plus $1, 90 cents.
There it is. There it is.
$4. Good, Isabel.
Good job, Isabel. So circle that. There you go.
All right, if you're at home, pause and solve.
2 adult children.
Okay, you people, now that they've unpaused and they're listening for our explanation, this is what it costs to get into a museum. So how much would a family of 2 adults and 2 children save by buying the family ticket instead of individuals?
You save a lot. I know.
Can I say the answer?
Go ahead.
So, well, first you need to do adult plus an adult because there's two, so that would equal 20. And
Yep.
then two kids equals 16.
Ooh, look at her go.
And then when you add those up, that equals 36.
Mm-hmm.
And so you would save $6 if you got the family ticket.
Does everybody see we got this
Wow,
30 because
good.
the family pack is 30.
You're
So you
brilliant.
save 6.
Oh, my.
Good.
Good job.
Whoops. All right, everybody at home, pause and do number 5. All right, now we're back for you guys. So Maria's reading a book, has 286 pages. She has read 38 pages. To the nearest 10, how many pages does Maria have left to read?
Ooh,
To
I
the
love this one.
nearest 10.
Okay, who wants to do it? Come on. This is good mental math.
Me.
Okay, do it. Go ahead. So what did we do with the first two numbers? 286 and 38.
Can I just,
Yep, whoever wants to do it.
Oh.
Do it.
Well, the 286 would round to 290. And then the 38 would round to 40. Then you just have to subtract those two numbers, which equals 250. So the answer would be B.
Perfect.
There you go.
All right, if you're at home, pause and do number 6.
Ooh, box of beads.
You guys here in class start working it out. A box of beads contains 240 beads. Chang buys 4 boxes of beads. How many beads did Chang buy?
Got it.
There's really no trick to this. We're just multiplying, right?
That's it.
I'll write it up
Yeah,
here
and
so
you can do
everybody
this in your
can see it.
head. I mean, 200 times 4, Mr. Conklin, you do all that. You do that all the time. That's 800, right? 40 times 4 is 160.
Everybody good with that one?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
All right, if you're at home, pause and do number 7.
Ooh.
You're in our meeting. Start working it out. Liam has 6 pots. He grew herbs in. Here's his 6 pots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, that was good. Now mark them up.
What fraction of a pot is the mint in total? Fraction.
I'm not sure about this yet, but you have
Tell us what you're thinking.
1/4 of each, right? In each pot. Well, are they asking to add up all the mint together?
You planted the mint in 1/4.
They're asking us how many, if you put all the mints in
Oh,
one
okay.
pot, how many pots would they take up?
Yep.
Oh, then
That's what it's saying.
then well, they have 6. You only need 4 to make up one pot.
Right.
So right now you can have 1, and then you have 2 more.
Yeah.
So 1.5.
Yay.
Let's look at it. I love the way you did that. I'm going to use the highlighter to show the people at home what Scarlett just said out loud. So there's 6 up here, right? 6 quarters. Here's the one, 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 right? They want us to put them all in one pot. So we're basically just filling up 6 quarters, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Scarlett is saying here's 1, and then here is half a 1, so that's 1.5.
Excellent.
Good. All right, couple more. Oh, Mr. Spina, this is all you protractors. I didn't look at these ahead of time. What is the measure? Whoops, bad boy.
What'd you do?
I messed it all up. What is the measure of the angle shown below?
Me.
You want the angle, right?
Yes. This might be, I want to see what you guys say because it's still a little confusing to me.
What do you think? What do you think it is, anyone?
15.
15 what? 15, what does that little circle mean?
Degrees.
Yay!
Now, Mr. Spina, it's saying the answer is 165. I don't know about this. Do you know? Does anybody know? Because it looks like they want us to go this way. Oh, does it matter? This is the angle.
Yeah, so it's 180 degrees, take away 15.
So the angle is actually 165 degrees then.
Correct, because what the deal is, the half of a circle is 180.
Right.
So if you have 180 degrees and then you take away the 15 that it's measuring, that would be 165.
So how do we know in this picture if it's talking about this? Because this angle would be the 165, right?
Right, of the 180, yes. You have to know that's a half circle, and you have to start with 180.
How do you know if we're measuring the angle like this or if we're measuring this part of the angle? I guess that's my weird question. How did you know? Because why is Elijah's 15 not the answer? Because this is the angle right here.
Because if you look at between the 170 and the 160, you have 165, it gives you the answer. But that's how you get the answer. You understand?
How do you know if you're using the top numbers here or the bottom numbers in here, though, for the angle?
I don't know. I just read it left. I read it left to right.
Yeah. Well, I think we're still going to get to that this year, so maybe we'll get some better info on that.
So
For
the answer
purpose
to
of
that
your
one.
quiz note, the answer is going to be 165.
Okay.
Elijah, you had it, but we had to go one step further because the angle went the other way. All right, number 9. If you're at home, pause it and do it, and everybody here start working on it.
Let's fish for $3.
Oh, this is simple.
Yeah, this is easy because it's divisible, both numbers.
Anybody else? Scarlett, let's see if anybody else can get this one. Anybody got this one?
Okay.
Multiply.
A couple other people.
Come
Elijah,
on.
what do you got to do here?
You should be able to do this in your head.
It's my
Multiply.
computer. Okay.
Why do I got to multiply? You sure about multiply? Look again. We know we sold $96 worth of fish for $3 each. So would we multiply that to see how many fish we sold?
Remember, you only made 9. Yep, you got to think about that.
If we multiplied this, we'd get like close to 300 would be our answer. Do we sell 300 fish? That would be multiplying. So if we're not multiplying, we got to do what?
Divide.
Yeah,
Because that's going to
go.
tell us how many fish, right?
Yeah.
They're $3 each, and we got $96 for each of them. 3 goes into 9, 3 times. 3 goes into 6, 2 times. How many fish did we sell? 32. Good.
Exactly right. Good job.
All right, we did here. What about factor of 57?
Ooh, I love it. Which number goes into 57? That's a good one. No, that's not that bad. Come on, think about it.
I mean, we can eliminate 11 because 11 would go 66 to 77. So that one would never work, right?
Nope. Just think about it. If you're going into 57, which one of those in the ones place, the 3, the 7, or the 9, would make a 7 when you
Right.
start?
If you start skip counting by 3, are you ever going to say a 7 in the ones place? 3, 6, 9, 12, 16, or 12. What am I going by again? Plus 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24.
30, 60. Even if you gotta think about that one.
Or use Mr. Spina's thing and just start multiplying. 13 times, let's see, 5. No, that'd be too big. 4 would be 12. 52. That's not close enough. If I add another 13, that puts me over, right? 6, 65. So 13 doesn't work.
No.
Anybody get it yet?
Come on. What do you think?
19.
What
19 times what? Gets you 57.
What is 19 close to?
I,
What whole number?
20.
20. That's correct. And 57 is close to what?
60.
60.
60.
60. Is 20 going to 60?
Yeah.
How many times?
3 times.
3.
3 times. And then you got to look at it. So you try 19 times 3.
The most important part for this is when you guys see factor, just know it's one of these numbers has got to go into this.
Yeah.
All right, number 11. Which numbers are multiples of 6? Circle all of the correct numbers.
I mean, 6 goes into them.
6 has got to go into it. Well, we can eliminate these right away because 6 can't go into numbers smaller than it, right?
Nope.
Does 6 go into 12?
Yes.
Does
Yeah.
it go into,
Yeah.
Does it go into 20?
No.
Nope.
24,
Yes.
30?
30,
Yes.
Yes.
44,
No.
46,
They're saying no.
50. Definitely not 50. 54.
6 times 1 is 54.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, 9.
Yes.
6 times 1.
Definitely
Nine.
goes into this 11 times, right? And into 70. If it goes into 66, it does not go into 70. So there's your answers there for that one. Good work. All right, number 12. Oh, Mr. Spina, this is where we got to know conversions. This is all you. I'm horrible at this.
Oh, grams.
So we basically need to go from kilograms to grams.
How many grams are in a kilogram, everyone?
If you're not sure, look it up.
Anyone? I know the answer. How many grams equal a kilogram?
Doesn't it go kilo?
There is 1 kilogram in a gram.
Is what? There should be a
Well, a gram equals 1,000.
1,000. Exactly.
So there's only a
Oh, I went
kilogram.
backwards.
What?
Sorry, Scarlett. Go ahead. You looked it up for us.
No.
Say it.
And a gram is 1. A kilogram is 1.
You're right. So 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. That's right.
Yeah. Sorry, I said that weird.
Wait,
No,
what did you
but
guys
it's
say?
right.
Say that again so I write it right. Kilo.
A kilogram equals 1,000.
Gram.
No, a kilogram equals 1.
1,000 grams.
Sorry, I said that backwards.
1,000 grams is 1 kilogram.
So
Yes.
if we know that, then we just have to take, basically we're taking the 255 and just adding the 3 zeros, right?
Yeah.
For multiplication.
Yes, because grams are a lot smaller.
Perfect. 2 more.
Ooh, I like that one.
Now, who real quick on my team can eliminate 2 of these choices immediately because they're ridiculous? Based on this and this.
The A and B.
Scarlett, why?
Yeah.
Because you don't even have 1 in the first place.
Yeah.
You don't have 1.
Elijah,
Number.
look at this. You know this. Look, this doesn't. This is less than 1. These numbers in here, right? We're in between a half and a 6/10. We're not even at 1. So this one with 5 and this one with 5 don't make any sense.
Nope. So between 5 and 6 would be what?
And let's look between this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So this is the 10ths place. So we're jumping by the hundredths, right? Because there's 10 in there. So we've got to go to this dot, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
Nope.
in the hundredths place. So does everybody see why we'd get C? This would be thousands. They would have to break this up a lot more in here, right?
100 spots instead of 10. Yep.
Oh, last one.
It was
Oh, there's patterns. This is easy. Be careful.
2.
Be careful. They're skipping numbers. Numbers.
They just skipped a lot of numbers.
Anybody that wants to start talking it through can.
Look at the pattern.
I I have to admit, Mr. Spina, when I looked at this one,
if you put 4, you foolish.
I went like this in 2 seconds because I went 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the people watching our video are going to pick numbers. 4 because the people watching our video are going to pick 4 because they're not paying attention. But who can tell me why it's not 4?
What is 4?
Because
what is 4? What's the answer in inches?
that would be 48.
Correct. What's 5?
60.
Come on. What's 5?
60.
He's doing it.
Sorry, 60. Sorry.
And what's 6?
72.
72.
That's
So
it.
your answer for that one is 6. Don't let this pattern mess you up because look, we're going up by 12. We're going up by 12 every time, right? This is plus 12. I should write it over here. This is plus 12 or times 12. No, wait. Yeah. Times 12, right? Times 12. Times 12. Times 12.
Yeah.
All right, people. Thanks for your help.
That was fun.
For you people watching, write down those answers and go put these in Canvas. We'll see you
Can we
guys
just
later.
stay on until 11:20?
Yes.
Oh, wait. You guys don't have to leave. I'm just stopping the recording. Hold on.
Bye bye.
Bye, people
Bye.
on YouTube.